Hello there guys, this is Simeon from YT Assimilation. Hope you are doing good. Today let's talk about tags and how tags can help you gain more search traffic on YouTube. Also I'm going to show you certain smart strategies you can implement which can help you to gain more traffic over a long period of time. Also I'm going to show you a real life example where tags has been implemented properly and how smart tags has been helping that video. I'm also going to tell you how not to use tags which might damage your channel. And yeah, without further ado, let's hop onto my screen. All right, what are tags? So I have just grabbed this snippet from YouTube Help that gives us more information about tags. So let's see what they are saying. So tags are descriptive keywords you can add to your video to help viewers find your content, right? Your video's title, thumbnail, and descriptions are more important pieces of metadata for your video's discovery. These main pieces of information help viewers decide which videos to watch. And then they say tags can be useful if the content of your video is commonly misspelled. Otherwise, tags play a minimal role in your video's discovery. Let me repeat it again, guys. Otherwise, tags play a minimal role in your video's discovery. I'm pretty sure the article has given you some valuable insights. The reason I showed you the YouTube snippet is because who else can be more accurate and correct than YouTube itself, right? When talking about their own platform. So that's the reason I've just showed you YouTube's own article about tags. And so here are some misconceptions and myths about YouTube tags that has been widely spread across the platform. And let's talk about this, guys. And yeah, so similar meta tags and similar metadata aren't working anymore. So it used to work before. It used to work a couple of years back, and now it's not working. So I am seeing a lot of YouTube gurus actually talking about this, and I don't know why they are talking about this, because they know that this stuff doesn't work, right? It used to work years back and now it's not working. Trust me, guys, because I had a channel where I tried to use the similar metadata, and it didn't work for me. And I just made over 30 to 40 videos on the channel, and it's dead right now. I'll be showing that channel in a future video when I talk about some other concepts, guys. And so similar metadata isn't working actually right now, and it's highly irrelevant right now. And also putting popular channel names in your tags doesn't work. I mean, it's one of the cheap tactics that used to work before. I mean, it's easily manipulated, right? So tags play the least important role because it's something that can be easily manipulated. I mean, it can be something easily changed, right? What's hard is audience retention, click-through rate, and watch time. So these are some of the metrics that is hard. I mean, since tags are easily manipulated, the chances of YouTube giving it more weight is actually pretty low, right? The final misconception is keyword stuffing definitely won't work. I mean, what I mean by keyword stuffing, repeating the same tags again and again in all of your videos. So if your channel is about how to make money online, if you're just putting out similar tags, I mean same tags in on all of your videos, like how to make money online, how to make money online in 2021, and just similarly repeating all the tags without any relevance, it's not going to help you much. So you might ask me this question, where does tag actually play its role then? So tags play its role when it comes to YouTube search, guys. There are different ways how a YouTube video is getting views, and YouTube search is one of the way. I'll also talk about the other ways in different videos, guys. And yeah, so by putting out smart tags, you can able to rank for a variety of keywords and also get consistent YouTube search traffic for all of your videos for a long time. So let me show you the smart ways of using tags, and also I'll show you the anatomy of a good meta tag. So the anatomy of a good meta tag includes general tags, long tail keyword tags, branded tags, keyword tags, targeted keyword tags, I mean, and then finally comes in the trending tags. So let me explain you more on this with the example. So yes, this is a prime example of how smart tags are being implemented, guys. So let me quickly explain to you what's there on the screen. So my title or topic of the video is about make money with ClickBank. Okay, if you already know, ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace, right? So that if that is my topic, so the way I will be implementing smart tags will be like this: how to make money online with ClickBank in 2021. So this is a pretty long tail keyword. So long tail keywords are nothing but keywords that has 4 to 5 words together, right? Short tail keywords are on the other hand make money online. So this is just three word keyword which is hard to rank. So what you can do is you can just implement long tail keywords to get those long tail traffic. You can just optimize your keyword, you can optimize your title and description for the long tail keyword, so you can able to get a lot of search traffic. So that's what I will be doing at the start. So this is the long tail keyword, how to make money online with clickbank in 2021. And the next keyword will be, this is also long tail keyword, make money online with clickbank. So there are a lot of ways of how you can actually make money online, right? So clickbank is one of the ways. So what I'm doing is I'm just putting out clickbank in the tag, so it becomes more relevant when someone searches for clickbank. So that's why I have written clickbank there. And then another targeted keyword is clickbank affiliate marketing. So right, so the only way through which you can make money with clickbank is actually through affiliate marketing, right? Whether you are selling a product or whether you are promoting a product, it's all because of affiliate marketing. So right, so what you do is, if that is the target keyword, you are just going to include clickbank affiliate marketing right there. And YT assimilation, so that is a branded tag, that is my channel's name, right? So just include that in the tags. You need to be more authentic in the eyes of YouTube, so YouTube can promote you, because you cannot simply spam your tag section with a lot of spamming keywords or repetitive keywords. Rather, what you need to do is you need to be genuine and you need to be authentic, so YouTube can give you some exposure, right? So what I've done is I've just added my channel name there, so there is a branded keyword. And then comes in clickbank for beginners, so this is also a targeted keyword. So next comes in clickbank for beginners, so this is also one of a keyword variant which I'll be using. And clickbank tutorial, make money online, and clickbank, so these are some generic keywords I'm been using. So if you carefully look at my keyword structure, guys, you can able to see how strategically and smartly I've been implementing the tags, because the tags has relevance. So I used many different keyword variations. So you can also note that I have not added any repetitive keywords, so that looks spammy, right? I haven't done any keyword stuffing there, right? So there's all different variations you can use, and this is a smart keyword strategy you can implement in on all your videos, guys. So if this is my topic, make money with clickbank, what I'll be doing is I'll be implementing the tags in such a way I have showed you on the screen. So let me also show you a video where this smart strategy has been implemented, and how one guy has been doing really well for that particular video. So let me quickly take you to YouTube. All right, we are on YouTube, guys, and this is the keyword I have typed. So this is make money online with clickbank. So this is the keyword I have typed, and I'm just clicking this first results, right? Clickbank for beginners, how to make money on clickbank for free. I've just clicked this link, click this video, and let's see the tags this gentleman has used. So what I've done is I've just added a vidIQ. So this is a free tool you can use for your YouTube videos to quickly check the keyword volume, keyword difficulty, and also many hidden keywords that you can apply to your YouTube content, right? So yeah, so I'm just searching this meta tags, and we can see if this is his title, how to make money on clickbank for free. So if this is his video title or topic, and look at the number of views he has got around 800,000 views so far, and it's really good. And he has more than 39,000 likes. So let's just look at his video tags and see how he has strategically implemented the video tags. So he has included his name, which is branded keyword, NATO Brian, and Mike O'Brien, and Santril Media is his channel name, right? So he has included his channel name, Santril Media. And what he has done is he has just included the generic keyword clickbank here, and also clickbank affiliate marketing. Wait a second. Also, yes, mentioned clickbank affiliate marketing and clickbank for beginners. So clickbank marketplace. So these are all some of the strategies. Some of the tags he has used, and also see he has used a long tail keywords. So how to make money on clickbank fast, and how to make money on clickbank, and make money on clickbank for free. So these are all some of the how to promote clickbank products for free, and also how to make money with clickbank using Facebook. See, so he has also targeted long tail keywords, and he has also used general keywords, and also he has used targeted keywords with respect to clickbank. Right. All right. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and got something useful from it. And if you really like the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, so it encourages me to put a lot of videos out there for you, useful stuff, no BS, right? And stuff that I personally learned and the mistakes I have learned, I will also be sharing my mistakes, just like I've shared in this video. So I'll be talking to you more on YouTube and the stuff that is working right now, and also I'll be talking more on cash cow channels, and a lot of other interesting things are coming. And yeah, so be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, and until next time, take care. Bye.